railway chair impatient. Why turn on your lights? Why not shine for me tonight? Moving mud froth from the crater, meet with boulder, sandy matter. They don't care to bond and never do they chatter. Fruit bath for a silk rabbit, stolen by an elk. Colors fragment as the fur's filth is dispersed. Wine of the most expensive range, acquired by a noble British gentleman, with one overgrown bum cheek bigger than the other. The making of awkward moments at the best of times. A parrot biting steel like his little life depends. Grass and shade, hanging leaves crowd this bird while it feeds. Lunch was a word named after a madman cannibal. He tried to eat cherries one fine day, and he choked to death. Railway chair, railway chair, railway chair.